Um, I think it depends on why it's historically significant. Like, if it's just an old building, then maybe it has to go. But if like something significant happened there, then I'd say keep it.
I feel like historic buildings are, well, obviously they're very historical and they have a lot of ties to, or actually people, I guess, have a lot of ties to them, cultural ties and, I don't know, emotional ties, depending on how they, whatever their connection is to that. And, if there's any way to possibly preserve those buildings, then I feel like they definitely should be. And there's no need to unnecessarily take buildings down, I don't feel.
The excavator effortlessly took bites out of a home rich with history.
It was part of the history of National City.
It was the carriage house behind the historic Wallace Dickinson house, built back in 1887.
She bought it as her forever home. Wow, I didn't expect that.
It was left off the registry when the lot was split up decades ago. Stephen Norton did his best to stop demo crews, but they had a job to do at the new owner's request.
Contractors are building illegal constructions left and right in a completely haphazard way wherever they want. And whatever they want includes World Heritage sites. So we have 19th century buildings and 18th century buildings being bulldozed and being replaced with high rises. And this is a complete tragedy. And one of the sites that is most afflicted by this chaos is historic Cairo, which is a World Heritage site.
Well, I mean, I'd say explosives are hazardous by nature, so if you need to blow something up, you might as well use some explosives. I mean, if they can use them safely, then there's nothing wrong with it, but...
Probably way more than it should, but like everything else, it's just expensive.
I could say at least 100,000. I could be wrong completely on that.
Most of it, 75%.
Pretty large percentage. I think that today, with a lot more focus on sustainable development and renewable energies and things like that, then people are starting to, consider recycling as much as they can. But I would have to maybe guess that maybe like 80 or 90% of it is not reused.